will revise before, after, in between numbers, which we had learned in class 1. So here we have an exercise which is based on before numbers. Okay, so before that we have a scale here that is from 1 to number 10. Yes, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so here some of the exercise is on before numbers. So let us start now. So here we have got number 9. So can you tell me, number 9 is here. So what comes before 9? 8. So what will come here? Number 8. So 8 comes before 9. Now here we have number 11. So based on that scale, we need to move ahead. So we have here now 2-digit number. Now what comes before 11? Correct. 10. Now can you tell me here? Now we have number 55. What will come before 55? Correct. 54. And here we have number 33. So what will come before 33? 32. Now here we have 70. So before 70 we have 69. Here we have a single digit number, that is 3. So can you tell me what will come before 3? What comes above 3? 2. So before 3 we have number 2. Now the next exercise is based on after numbers. Yes. Now do you all remember that you all had learned what are after numbers? Like the same way we had learned the before numbers. So here we have to write the next number which comes up. Correct? So here we have got number 23. Now can you tell me what will come after number 23? Correct. Number 24. So we'll write here 24. Now next is we have got a bigger number, that is 82. Now what will come after 82? 83. Now the next one is number 48. Now what will come after number 48? Correct. Number 49. Then we have got here number 12. Can you tell me what comes after 12? Correct. 13. Now the next number is 79. Correct. 80. Very good. The next number is 91. Now what will come after 91? 92. Very good. Now moving on, the next exercise is based on in between numbers. Now in between numbers are the numbers which come in between the two numbers. So here we have got two numbers where the missing number is from in between we have to write. So the first number is 12-14. So tell me which number will come before 14 and after 12? Correct. 13. So it is 12, 13 and 14. So here the next one is number 38. What will come after 38 and before 40? Yes, 39. Next one we have 64. So what will come after 64? 65 and before 66 also 65. Next one is 31. So we will write it as 32 as the middle number, that is in between number. The next number is 88. So the next number will be 89 and 90. The next number is 94-96. So what will come in between of 94 and 96? 95. Now same way we have to do using 3-digit numbers. Okay. Now as we had read in the first part, which said that number 100 is the smallest 3-digit number, whereas number 999 as the biggest 3-digit number. So here we have got in between, before and after numbers. Okay, so this exercise is based on before, after and in between numbers. So let us start solving. So here we have got 3 numbers we have to do, that is, the first number is 127 dash 129. So we need to write the middle number, that is the in-between number. Now can you tell me which number will come in between 127 and 129? Correct. 128. Now the next one we have your before number. Now before number will be the number here is 219. Now can you tell me which will be the before number? Correct. 218. Now here we have to write the after number. Now the number here is 159. So what will come after 159? Correct. 160. Now next we have 199 dash 201. Now 199. What comes after 199? Correct. 200 and then 201. Now the next one we have here, we have to write the before number. The number here which is given 672. So what will come before 672? Correct. 671. Now the next one is 400. So next number will be 401. Now the in-between number that will be here which is given 415 dash 470. So what will come after 415 and before 417? Correct. 416. Now the next one which is given 209. What will come before that? Correct. 208. Now same way we have to do using 3-digit numbers. Now as we had read in the first part that number 100 is the smallest 3-digit number, whereas number 999 as the biggest 3-digit number. Now here's an exercise that is based on 3-digit numbers and you have to write the in-between, before and after numbers. So let us start now. Now here we have to write the middle number. Now the first number is 127 dash 129. So what will come in between these numbers? Correct. 128. Now the next one is we have to write before number. Here we have 219. So what will come before that? 218. Now here we have to write after number. Now what will come after 159? Correct. 160. Now here we have to write the middle number, that is in between number. We have 199 dash 201. So what will come in the middle? Correct. 200. Now next here we have to write the before number. What will come before 672? Correct. 671. Now next we have got 400. So what will come after 400? 401. Now here we have to write the in-between number. So what will come after 415? Correct. 416 and then 470. Now here before number 209. What will come before that? Yes, correct. 208. Now we will move on to the next topic, that is ascending order and descending order. But before that, let us learn the meaning of the term order. Now do you know what is the meaning of order? Now here we go. So the term order means to arrange numbers one by one. Okay, I repeat, order means to arrange numbers one by one. Okay, now to arrange numbers, we can arrange numbers in two different ways, that is ascending order and descending order. I repeat, we can arrange the numbers in two different ways, that is ascending order and descending order. So here we have got the ascending order and the descending order. Now, what do you understand by the term ascending order? Ascending order means to arrange numbers from the smallest to the biggest number. I repeat, ascending order means to arrange numbers from the smallest to the biggest number. Now, descending order means you're sending it back. So that is from the biggest number, you come back to the smallest number. I repeat, descending order means you start from the biggest number and come back to the lowest number. Now students, here we have a letter which is numbered from number 1 to number 10. Okay, and now we have a boy who wants to climb up the stairs. So he starts from the smallest digit and he climbs up and goes to the biggest digit. So as we had learned, the from the smallest to the biggest is known as ascending order. Now the boy wants to come down. So he will come down the stairs to the smallest digit. So from the biggest number to the smallest number is known as descending order. I repeat, from the smallest to the biggest we have ascending order, and from the biggest to the smallest we have descending order. Let us now start with one digit number first. So here we need to arrange these numbers in ascending order, that is from the smallest to the biggest. I repeat, from the smallest to the biggest. So here we have got 5 numbers, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, now refer to this scale, that is from number 1 to number 10, and tell me which is the smallest digit here. The 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, so we have here number 2 as the smallest. So we'll write the number 2 first. Yes. Now next is number 4. Yes, so 4 is bigger than 2. Now can you tell me which is the other number bigger than 4? Yes, here 2 is done, 4 is done. Correct. 6 is bigger than 4. Now next number after 6, which is the bigger number? 7. So we have here 7. Now next number which is bigger than 7, the last number which is left is 8. Correct? Now moving on to the descending order, we have to arrange the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. I repeat, from the biggest to the smallest. Now here we have got 5 numbers, that is 4, 6, 9, 2, 7. Now can you tell me which is the biggest number here among these 5? Correct. 9 is the biggest number. Now which is little lower than 9 here? Correct. We have here 7. So 9 is greater than 7 and 7 is less than 9. Now which is the next number? Below 7, here 6. Then next, below 6, 4. And then the last number is 2. Let us now move on to 2-digit numbers. Now here we have got 4 numbers which we need to arrange them in ascending order. That is from the smallest to the biggest. Yes? Now do you all remember students in the previous video which was based on comparing numbers, where we used the tricks to find the greatest number? Now same way we need to find out the smallest digit here. Now what did the first trick said in the last topic, that was comparing numbers? The first trick said that we need to find out the smallest digit. Yes, we need to compare the first digit of each number. Now can you tell me which is the first digit here is 5, 4, 5, 1 and 1 again. Yes. Now this is not the smallest number. Here also it is not the smallest number. Now here the first 2 numbers are the same. Now go to the second trick. Now the second trick said that we need to if the first 2 digits are the same, we need to compare the second digit. So the second digit is here is 2 and here is 6. Now which is greater among them? 16. Now which is smaller? 12. Now we need to arrange the numbers in ascending order. That is from the smallest to the biggest. So the smallest number here is 12. So we'll write here 12. Correct? Now can you tell me next which is the biggest number, bigger than 12? 16. Correct. Now can you tell me bigger than 16? We have here number 45 and number 54. Now with compare the first digit of the two numbers. We have here 4 and we have here 5. Which is smaller? 4. So we have here 45. Now the last digit is 54. So here we have the numbers which are arranged from the smallest to the biggest. Now moving on to descending order, that where we need to arrange the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Can you tell me which is the biggest number here? We have here number 28, 50, 34, 48. Now the first digit here is 2, here is 5, here we have 3 and here we have 4. Now which is the biggest digit here? Correct, 5 is the biggest. So 50 is the biggest number. So we write it here. Now which is the number which is lower than 50? Correct, 48. Now the next, which is the number that is lower than 48? 34. And the last number is 28. So here we have the numbers that are arranged from the biggest to the smallest, that is ascending order. Now from the biggest to the smallest is known as descending order.